Follow along for this easy ghost costume. You need white fleece, black felt, scissors, and your hot glue gun. I have also included a few links for the hat. Start by measuring the child that you are making the costume for. I cut out a square that was 27 inches by 27 inches. Fold into a triangle and then fold again. Cut 2.5 inches from the point on both sides and cut out a rounded circle. From the corner, mark and cut 2 1/2 inch slits around the entire poncho. I found a scary face on a Google search and traced it on computer paper. I cut out the face and used a piece of chalk to transfer it to the black felt. Cut it out and glue it to the front of the poncho. I used the same method from her parrot costume to make the hat. I added a black bow to the front of the hat and this costume was complete. I have attached a link to the parrot costume and fleece hat in the description box below. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.